Hey, business owners! Today, I'm diving into why expert hardwood flooring installers are crucial for your business. Whether you run a bustling restaurant, an elegant boutique, or a busy office space, the flooring underfoot plays a massive role in the ambiance and functionality of your space. First off, commercial hardwood flooring isn't like your typical home project. It faces unique challenges. Think high traffic, stringent building codes, and the need for durability. That's why you need experienced professionals who understand these nuances. Let's talk about what to look for. Experience is key. Always check how long the installers have been in the game. Certifications? Absolutely non-negotiable. They ensure the team knows their stuff when it comes to commercial regulations. But there's more. Innovative installation techniques are making a splash. Techniques like dustless sanding and precision cutting not only save time, but also reduce the mess and downtime for your business. Proper installation impacts your business operations more than you might think. A well-installed floor enhances safety, reduces maintenance costs, and boosts the aesthetic appeal, making your space more inviting for customers. Technology and sustainability are also changing the game. From smart flooring that monitors usage patterns to eco-friendly options that reduce your carbon footprint, staying ahead means embracing these trends. Future trends? Smart flooring and green materials are set to become industry standards. Imagine floors that adapt to the wear and tear of your specific business. Cutting edge, right? So if you're operating in Westport, Massachusetts and looking to elevate your commercial space, consider top-tier installers like Purple Ribbon Flooring. Their expertise can transform your business environment, ensuring it's both beautiful and durable. Remember, your floor is the foundation of your business. Choose wisely. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tips to keep your business thriving.